Adekunle Ajashin University, Akungba Akoko, Ondo State, Nigeria, and Professor Sunday Akinmulegun cordially invite the general public to the 27th inaugural lecture titled Navigating Economic Conundrum Through Globalization and Financial Strategies, to be delivered by Professor Sunday Akinmulegun on Tuesday, August 20, 2024, under the distinguished chairmanship of Professor Olugbenga Ige, Vice Chancellor, Adekunle Ajashin University, Akungba Akoko. Venue is the University Multipurpose Hall. Time is 2 p.m. Guests are expected to be seated by 1:30 p.m. Adekunle Ajashin University, Akungba Akoko, 27th inaugural lecture titled Navigating Economic Conundrum Through Globalization and Financial Strategies, to be delivered by Professor Sunday Akinmulegun. Members of the university community and the general public are cordially invited. Please join us.